I'm Kathy Lee Gifford. You've probably seen me on Carnival Cruise Lines television commercials, right? Singing, dancing, taking in the sights, shopping, swimming, doing it all. Well, you'll have to forgive my enthusiasm, but I'm particularly proud of this ship. Isn't she gorgeous? That's Celebration, one of Carnival's superliners, and she's a very, very special ship to me. I'm her godmother. You see, on March 7, 1987, I christened her here in the port of Miami. What a thrill. It was really something. You know, since you're here, what I'd really like to do is show you around. Let you get to know my ship like I do, okay? Follow me. All right, have a good time. Here we are in Purser's lobby. This is where you first board the ship, and can't you just feel everybody's excitement? That's because departure day's a big day around here. In fact, it's cause for celebration. So let's celebrate. Hear that? It's time for dinner. Afterwards, we'll take a stroll around the ship, and I'll show you the fun never stops on the Celebration. Hi, David. How's it going?
Good evening, Miss Gifford. How are you?
David, say hello to a few hundred of my closest friends.
Woo, my goodness.
He's always himself. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Shall I turn your bed down, Miss Gifford?
Yeah, please. Thank you, and I'll see you in the morning.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Go into the dining room, I thought you might be interested in seeing what goes on in the galley. Each night, there's a complete 5-course meal. There's a choice of 4 appetizers, 3 soups, and 2 salads. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Kathy.
What would you recommend for tonight?
I have a nice Bordeaux for you for tonight, which I highly recommend for your steaks, and also I have nice poulet fusée with your lobster.
Sounds terrific, thanks. I'll have both.
Okay.
There's a great selection of fine wines aboard the Celebration. There's something for every taste.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Robert. How many entree selections do you have tonight?
We have 5, plus a wonderful selection of vegetables, desserts, cheeses, and drinks.
I can't decide between the steak or the lobster.
Have them both. You can have anything you like, and you'll never see a bill. The first night at sea is casual. It's a great chance for everybody to get to know each other. But then every night is different aboard the Celebration. There's a different theme and a different menu each evening. There's French night, American night, and Caribbean night, plus 2 formal nights, where the ladies get decked out in their best dresses or gowns, and the gentlemen wear jackets and ties. They're beautiful and festive evenings. Then our dining rooms aboard the Celebration are really special. They've been recognized by La Confrérie de la Chaîne de Rôtisseurs. Think you're in Las Vegas when you see the spectacular floor shows in the Astoria Lounge. But then would you expect anything less than spectacular on my ship? You'll enjoy 2 totally different Las Vegas-style variety shows, plus Passenger Talent Night, where everyone's encouraged to sing, dance, or whatever. And our Masquerade and Captain's Gala cocktail party are here, too. I find that dinner aboard the ship only whets my appetite for what's to come later. What is there to do aboard Celebration? What isn't there to do? Come on, I'm going to show you around. Feeling lucky? Our Rainbow Club's casino is one of the largest afloat anywhere in the world. logically, it's at midnight, right? But on my ship, for some crazy reason, it's at 12:30 in the morning. The Endless Summer Lounge is a great place for soft music and dancing or a late-night cocktail. But if you're in the mood for something hotter, the Galaxy Disco. Well, after all that dancing and fun, I am starved. I bet you are, too. So I asked Rudy, our executive chef, to whip up a little midnight snack for us. As usual, Rudy, it looks fantastic.
Kathy, I'm glad you like it.
Can we eat this? Of course, you can eat every bite. Rudy says it takes 20 chefs to prepare this midnight gala buffet.
Yes, these 20 people work 200 man-hours, including the dragon. And after all this time and effort, it takes only 45 minutes for this food to be consumed.
What do these passengers do? Do they fast for a month before they come on board?
Kathy, I don't know, but it must, and the food disappears in no time.
You know, I'm really very proud of this ship. She's 47,000 tons of fun. But what I tend to forget is that while we're out here having a great time, our crew is hard at work. Our state-of-the-art bridge is fully computerized with the most up-to-date electronic instruments, including a long-range satellite navigation system. And remember those ship's engine control rooms in the old bogey movies? Well, the control room on the Superliner Celebration is completely electronic. A crew member can monitor anything from the temperature in the meat freezer to the temperature of a steam boiler. And when it comes to the Celebration's engine room, well, you've never seen anything like it. Our main engines are 3 decks high, and we have 3 auxiliary engines as well. I'd like to show you what the engine room looks like, but unfortunately, I'm not allowed to take you there. But I think you'll find this more entertaining anyway. Wonderful. The Islands in the Sky Lounge is another terrific place to enjoy after-dinner drinks and dancing. And every night at sea, there's a special midnight show. So imagine the moment. You'll find 10 bars and lounges aboard the Celebration. And as you might expect, each one has its own special personality. Well, it's fun. Let's have another before we call it a night.
One more song or one more?
One more song. Oh, I know this one. If they could see us now out on the deep blue sea, underneath the moon and stars, just you and me. If you're like some passengers, you'll want to enjoy breakfast in your room, or in the dining room, or out here on the deck enjoying the beautiful morning breeze. Each morning brings the start of a brand new day of fun here on the Celebration, and you'd be amazed at how much there is to do. But if your idea of paradise is doing nothing at all by a beautiful pool, we've got 3 of them.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ramirez. Thank you. There's the main pool deck, which is the center of all the daytime activities. Here you can relax in the sun, take a swim, enjoy refreshing drinks and cocktails, play shuffleboard, join in the games, enjoy an alfresco lunch, or just sit back, pop on your sunglasses, and relax. Or if you prefer to just get away from it all, you can do that too. One of the really nice things about a fun ship cruise is that it takes you to so many fun places. I love the islands, especially the view from up here. See my ship over there? every island has its own personality, its own flavor. But the place I like best of all, and I'm sure you will too, is right on board my ship, the Superliner Celebration. If they could see you now, out on a punch of